Hey guys, Shay here from Metra Electronics. Today I'm here to talk to you about the JP-TSH1 turn signal trigger harnesses for your 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. Now, why do you need these harnesses? Well, are you installing any of our Heist Jeep lighting into your Jeep? Maybe some RGB headlights, fog lights, or an underglow kit? That Heist RGB controller needs to tap into your turn signal lights, and there's no easier way to make that happen than with these harnesses. Now, there's two harnesses in the bag, a driver's side harness and a passenger side harness. Both harnesses offer triggers to the parking lights, turn signal, and daytime running lights. And using our easy-to-follow instructions, you will see that they easily connect into factory lighting harnesses with OEM connectors, so there's no need to cut or splice any wiring. So when you look into making that purchase for those new headlights, like the JP-702 RGB, make sure you grab the JP-TSH1 to make that installation that much easier. So go check out this product and our other Jeep products on our website at metraonline.com.